What's up, you guys? Dominique, LaShae. We back with another video. So y'all already know it's cruise time. Stop playing. Look at my shirt. One at 2024 cousin trip in progress. So it's around 10 something. And our board is at 12. But mama want to get over there early. So gotta fix my edges before we go. Yeah, I'm proud of myself because I've been vlogging the entire time. I'm missing my earrings. I look like a boy. I can't do these edges how she had them, so it's the edges for me. We got a shuttle dude that's gonna come get us. We got a black car. I hope it stop raining for the celebrate party. Okay, y'all, finna head out, stop playing. Memphis finna take over the cruise ship. Give it to them. Y'all see how we coming, period. We finna be lit. I don't think the ship ready for Memphis. Memphis finna take over. What's up, Makai?
Yeah, y'all know what's going on.
Show the feet.
Y'all know what's going on.
Why you got them shoes in your hand?
That's
the way you get back there.
I thought you was
we lit. Where y'all at?
in a black car. Yeah, man, you know. Y'all know what's going on.
Right, so slight, you hear me? So slight.
I got two yesterday that need a cab later. I'm gonna call you about it.
All right.
I thought we did something. I sound like, I ain't do it.
I ain't put no hoes
I'm finna say I ain't do it, baby. Y'all, I hope this rain stop for the celebrate party. New Orleans, what you doing? Yeah, I dream about Titanic last night. So I'm a little scared. You better swim up out the ocean. Rain ain't stopping nothing. Okay, y'all, so we made it. Don't mind this head on my head. I just got this on my head for now. But we made it to the unloading dock. They got our luggage.
I can't believe we finna be on the ship. We done waited a whole year for this trip.
Everybody look at him. In the building. We in the building. It look good, y'all. Why is we on the boat that caught on fire? Hold on, y'all. I gotta find this because this is the
First place is to get stuck in Grand Turk.
Okay, y'all, we all checked in. Just waiting on my mama and it kind of went quick. It's just like you really at the airport except you on the ship, but it went quick. But I'm gonna get up with y'all when we get there. Period.
Alright, so we made it through everything. The TSA audit, now we're gonna go get on the ship.
Period.
Like your direction short.
Period.
I mean, your
Here we go, y'all. I ain't got no boats for me, but we good. Let's go. We on the ship, yo. We on the ship, T-side.
Come on,
yo.
come on. Welcome on board, alright, guys?
Yo.
And that's the energy. That's what we're talking about. Let's go.
Okay, y'all, so we finally made it to the muster station where they finna show us the life jackets and all that, just in case.
Wrap around this one right in front of you. Here, this one put on the side. And the upper part, you have to tie it up in the hole. Then that's it. This, you have a life jacket, ma'am, right in your closet. Make sure you check it. Thank you, guys.
Okay, y'all, we found the seat, so we just finna go to the buffet. I'm ready to put all this stuff down, though. We can't put our stuff to 1:30. It's 12:48. So me and Lincoln about to go find us something to eat. I might leave this camera with me because I don't know I gotta carry my plate. So the camera finna stay. Guys, burger, this the burger everybody been talking about. The room's finally ready. I ain't gonna lie, y'all overhyped that guy's burger. That guy's burger, baby. But we finna go find that room.
Our stateroom door located where? On deck.
We made it. We made it. We on the ship. Here's our room. So here's our door. And then what is this? Oh, we got closet, life jackets, hangers, more cover, all that type of stuff. Take me out, son. Need it. Period. You have a mirror. Then you come this way, you got your little TV. I'm trying to hurry up and get y'all a quick tour because I ain't finna be in this room. Then you got the little lamp right there, little lamp right there. Then you got a picture right there. Girl, these beds a little, but we ain't gonna be in them long. How that bathroom looking put?
It's decent.
It ain't small. This ain't a small room how I thought it was gonna be.
It's giving bougie porta potty.
This giving
Meaning
jail.
bigger, that's it.
Yeah, porta potty. Porta potty. But let's see what this balcony hitting now. Come on, put. I'm scared. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. Come on, Disney. Come with me. Hold up, y'all. Let me take my medicine. I'm playing for real. Motion sickness. Gonna take it right now. See his ass luggage out there.
plenty of stories.
Yeah, all the videos I saw on YouTube, it's not how they tried to say it is. Because these rooms is not that little. Our room big.
Drinks that we were allowed to make. Dominique got the 10 minis though. Nice mirror right here. The cooler or refrigerator?
Cooler. We got a whole snack bar. Stop playing. Me and Jessica came with it. Courtesy of Dollar Tree. We on the way to the Silhouette Park. The Memphis in the building. Stand up. We outside. Stop playing. And my shirt dirty.
You already got no chop.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to your Silhouette party. Come on. I am loving the vibes. First and foremost, I know y'all were hearing the voice all along. So let me introduce myself. My name is Uncle Johnny, your cruise director. I hail, hey. But it's an absolute pleasure to be back here in New Orleans. Yes, it is. One thing that y'all are going to understand with me, and y'all are going to learn very quickly. I do not tolerate boring. For the next few days, I know it might be a short cruise, but it needs to be a fun cruise. For the next few days, there'll be no cooking, no cleaning, no doing any dishes, none of that stuff. Put your hands together.
Good morning. It is day 2 of the cruise. Yeah, I don't like this. My phone don't work. I'm paying Verizon $30 a day for nothing, and it don't work. But we got this little Carnival Hub app where you can message people that's on the boat. So I'm messaging my family. Finna go try to find my mom and my cousin. Hold on. Hello.
Hello. How you doing today?
Good. Where I'm going now? But I'm gonna get up with y'all when I find them. Bye. I'm about to go sit at the on the deck where the movie thing is. Just look out and hopefully if I see a whale. If God love me, you gonna let me see a whale, a dolphin, a squid, or something pop out the water. And I only feel the boat when I'm laying down. When I was laying down, baby, you like this, like you in a water bed. Literally, you in the water bed, literally. I guess they came into the room while we was gone a little minute for breakfast. Cause look at this towel, y'all. It's so cute. Look at it. I gotta use the bathroom. Then I'm finna you take a little quick wash up again, and I'm outside. Period. Okay, y'all, I'm back on the deck. Bone and Kaya right there, my little cousin. I'm finna get pieces. And it's hot out here. I put on sunscreen, so I should be fine, hopefully. But the pieces saying you just walk up, down, let you come get your own pieces. You have to walk up and they hang you a plate or whatever. If y'all can see him. Thank you. This how it's coming. If y'all can see that.
I not do it.
Outfits finna get even better.
That's why I didn't fly. Remember every time we fly, we didn't see.
Birthday people so clean. Oh my God, we got long.
What a dog did. You see what's going on? A whole lot of everything, a whole lot of gang going on.
Somebody better put your bag into your face.
There you go. Mexico, here we come. Gang, gang, gang. We here. We lit. Get into it. We just made it to port.
Hi friends, welcome to Cozumel.
Period.
Thank you for coming.
We're the spreader like Betty, Betty, shot o'clock. Betty, Betty, shot o'clock. Betty, Betty, shot o'clock.
So
listen.
So Playa here, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Do you have any idea how much costs the admission fee?
Yeah, y'all know what's up. Cozumel, Mexico, we in here. Yeah, I brought Memphis to Mexico. Stop playing, we international with it, baby. Okay, y'all, so me and Destiny just changed. We finna get ready to head to the beach. Where we at Playa too? We at Playa Mill and Playa Circle. She plays too much. And y'all look at this thing. They can't run. Yeah, it's so hot out here. But I'm about to get the snorkeling. I got my water. I got my waterproof case.
Hola.
And I'm ready to go. Hola!
Yes, hola.
Yeah!
Life's great.
It look like it's finna rain, so I'm finna put my camera up. I can get wet because I'm wet in the way because I been in the water, but my camera can't get it wet. But we out here in Mexico with it, stop playing. If I ain't got enough footage for y'all, it's because I'm enjoying my vacation. Bye! So much fun. So much fun. We was lit.
They from Mississippi, cuz that was turn.
No cap. Back to the ship, y'all. See? Okay, y'all. So it is day 4, and the people outside cleaning the balcony. I just got up. I was feeling sick last night, but it's around 11:03. Hopefully they still got breakfast. If not, I'm just got to eat lunch. But I'm about to go try to get something to eat. Stay tuned. This is my outfit of the day. My shirt's supposed to say Mexico, not Hawaii, but it's cool with my little green skirt. And yeah, okay y'all, so you can actually smell this food. I hope it's good. I hope it's good. Hi. How are you? It's love for the eat, y'all. Hello. Can I do chicken and shrimp? Okay, y'all. Oh, my battery about to die. This the food after it's done. I'm finna try to hear if it tastes it because my battery is finna die. 2 out of 10. Moving right here like that. Party in the USA. Yeah, look at my mama. Keep on moving. Ain't never wrong. I ain't never wrong. Fresh shades on the corner playing spades. I'm a order. Some good and I'm a whole kind of purple baby like the niggas heard of it. Should be so nice and sweet. Hey, gonna leave. Cool on the Hemi, man. Red light, green light, yellow light. One thing that I found out, I can't have one woman, gotta have 3. They slowly coming up on the 1s and 2s. One woman just hold me down. This the last day. We just turned up. I'm so sweaty. So sweaty. But it's cool though. It's cool. Last night, let's get it. Gang gang. Okay, y'all, I left my camera, but it's cool. I'm coming off the phone for this part, so I really don't want to come off the phone. It is cool. Yeah, all white. Stop playing. All white up first. Check out the fam. Period. Yeah. Get into it. Thank you, Chloe and Tanya. Y'all are good stewards. The other people that down even belong. Down belong. But I don't got my camera, so I'm not even finna vlog. So yeah, that's y'all. There y'all go. Bye. Just work this. It is Monday, June 10th, and we have made it back to New Orleans, Louisiana airport. It's sad to say, y'all, this vlog has come to an end. Mexico, we gone. Carnival Cruise, we gone. I had so much fun. I met some great people, some cool people. Like, cruise people are some of the most nicest people you will meet. Like, y'all was so live. Shout out to everybody who subscribed to my channel. Hey, if y'all watching this vlog, no more blue water. The blue water's gone. It's the last time getting buffet breakfast is over on Mr. French Toast. I still got on my head because I ain't ready to go. Y'all ain't talking about good. So nah, I just can't pack it. So I had to wear it, so I had to carry it. But yeah. This is the last time eating breakfast. Bye. It been real. We talked up. That's it. Ain't nothing else to say. Okay, y'all. We finna head out. Bye-bye.
See you next week.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. Woo. I'm outside. I'm off the ship. How was the put?
It was a good time. I enjoyed it. I'm ready for my next trip now.
Period. Now we gotta go find our luggage. And I'm gonna get up with y'all.